Here is how to enable MicroProfiler in Roblox. First of all, you need to go ahead and open the Roblox application or go to roblox.com in your web browser, log into your account, and launch a game that you want to. Open the Roblox game client and go to the game that you prefer. And once you're inside the game, go ahead and tap on the Roblox icon in the top left corner of your screen, and here select Settings. Now you need to scroll all the way down, and here you'll get the option of MicroProfiler, that is between performance stats and camera inverted. Simply use this arrow button to turn it on or off according to your choice. Thereafter, select Resume and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.